Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to join me on my crafty adventures. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button in the bottom of the screen, as well as that little bell icon, so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today I have a design team haul from ASC Craft Supplies. I received the new Prima 31 collection. Now I know it's been all over YouTube, however I just received my package and I can't wait to share it with you. As you can see, I have a number of items in the collection that I plan to review. If you're interested in purchasing this collection, I know that ASC Craft Supplies is planning to get more in stock. You can visit them online. They have 2 retail locations. You can visit them on the web or on their Etsy store. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code Robyn10 to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. I'm going to clear off my desktop so that we can review the 12 by 12 collection first. I'll be right back. This is the 12 by 12 collection and it comes with foil. Let's take a look inside. This is the first page, and typical with the Prima collections, you have several different cut-aparts. I love how you have this vintage ghost, and this is in gold foil. You've got the bingo card. I love this vintage witch here, as well as these other images. On the back of this page, you have this pink spiderweb all over print. That's really fun. On the next page, you have more cut-aparts. You've got the bingo cards. I really like the blends of the pinks and the oranges and the integration of the gold. I think this is really fun. On the back of this page, you have these fun broomsticks in orange and pink with little stars. Isn't that fun? On the next page, you have pink and orange jack-o'-lanterns, and in the back you can see ever so slightly these stars and a gold foil. On the back, you have this fun stripe, and it's got this distressed look with these black spatters on it. Next, you have these flying ghosts, and you have witches that are in orange and pink, and you have little specks of gold foil throughout. On the back, you have this black muted page with orange stars. Next, you have these vintage cats. It says Happy Halloween in pink and these cute little spider webs. And in the back, you have these stars in gold foil. On the back, you have this all over polka dot print in this muted orange color. And you also have the distressed look with the black spatters. On the next page, we have these fun images of cauldrons with pink smoke. You have these little potion bottles, a witch's hat, and a spell book. And you also have the gold foil stars in the back. On the back, you have a black muted page, and you have fun jack-o'-lantern lollipops, candy corns, and lollipops. Next, you have more cut-aparts, and I like that you have so many different shapes. These have white pumpkins and bats. You've got the little cauldron with the pink smoke, the haunted house. I like this little banner here that says Witch's Brew. On the back, you have these orange jack-o'-lanterns with black stars and an orange polka dot print. And the final page, we have these larger cut-aparts. These are 4 by 6. You've got the bats. You've got the fun spider webs. This is really pretty here, the white pumpkin with the gold foil writing. You have a list here that says Magical Night. This is really fun. And on the last page, we have a black background with these fun ghosts. Next, we have the 6 by 6, and this is the same as the 12 by 12. The images are just a bit smaller. I'll just flip through this really quickly so you can see. These are perfect for making cards. Next, we have 2 sets of flowers. In this set, you have 24 pieces, and you've got the pinks, the oranges, the blacks, and you have pink with a black spider web, and I love that you have these little gold centers. This set includes 12 flowers, and it has this beautiful glitter on the edge of the petals. I have the chipboard stickers. There are 35 pieces. You have the little black cat, the witch's broom, a spell book, the bingo card, and you have more images on the back. You've got the little cauldron, the witch, the black cat. Next, we have 2 sets of ephemera. The first package contains 27 pieces, and the second contains 35 pieces. I'm not going to take all of these pieces out, however, I will give you a close-up. Here you have some larger pieces here. You've got the vintage witch, the jack-o'-lanterns, bingo cards, black cats, and some fun tags. And in this package, you have another bingo card, the black cat, the jack-o'-lanterns, a witch, potion bottles, and I love this vintage witch image here. And last but not least, we have the 3x4 journaling note cards. There are 45 sheets in each. Let me just flip through these. And you have miniature images that you saw in the paper collection. I love these bats here. These are very cute and vintage images. This concludes my review of the Prima 31 collection. Once again, ASC Craft Supplies is in the process of obtaining more of the paper pads and ephemera, so please be sure to check either their website or their Etsy store for availability. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, and happy crafting!